Whether you are a beginner or an advanced English learner, small mistakes can slip in. Well, the good news is we can fix them and avoid these mistakes with a little practice. In today's video, we will look at some common mistakes when we are speaking English and most importantly, how to fix these mistakes. All right, let's jump in. So this is Ritu, you are watching Ritu's Innate. चलिए तो पहला कंफ्यूजन जो होता है वो होता है मी एंड आई में. किस सेंटेंस में हमें मी यूज करना है और कहाँ हमें आई यूज करना है. Here let us take one example. Tom and me went to the market. Is this correct? No, it is not correct. Correct sentence is Tom and I went to the market. So here, me and I, what is the difference? Me and I both are pronoun, but me is an object pronoun and I is an subject pronoun. Me use होता है एक object के जैसे, I use होता है एक subject के जैसे. Now in this sentence, Tom and I went to the market. Here Tom and I both are subject. So Tom and I went to the market is the correct sentence. Second confusion is about neither. So let us take one example. Neither are coming or neither is coming. Which sentence is correct? Yes, the correct sentence is neither is coming. Why? Because neither is a singular word. Neither का मतलब होता है कोई भी नहीं, लेकिन हम neither को एक singular word के जैसे treat करते हैं. So the correct sentence is neither is coming, यानी कोई भी नहीं आ रहा है. Third common example sentence is this is the most easiest way. Easiest is already a superlative degree. तो इसके आगे हम most use नहीं कर सकते. Correct sentence is this is the easiest way. Fourth common mistake is about Caesar. हम हमेशा Caesar को एक singular की तरह treat करते हैं. For example, here is the Caesar. But it is not a correct sentence. Caesar is having two blades. Okay. So we treat Caesar as a plural. So the correct sentence is here are the Caesar. Right. Fourth confusion is about at the table या फिर on the table. Both are different when we are talking about its usage. Let us understand this with example. Suppose we take the example, let us sit at the table and discuss. इसका मतलब हुआ कि हम टेबल के चारों तरफ बैठकर कोई बात डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. हम इसको इस तरीके से नहीं कह सकते let us sit on the table and discuss. No, it is not correct. So, at the table का मतलब हुआ around the table or near the table. For example, let us eat dinner at the table. It is a correct sentence. We cannot say let us eat dinner on the table. Now, on the table. On the table हम use करते हैं when something is physically on the table. Something is kept physically on the table. For example, the book is on the table. Then it is a correct sentence, right? Another common mistake we will discuss with the help of an example. So the sentence is, she is good at English, or the another sentence is, she is good in English. Which one is the correct sentence? She is good at English. This is the correct sentence. Why? Because here we are talking about a specific skill. What? She is good at English language. So, at is the correct sentence. और in कब use करते हैं हम? We use in when we are talking about some performance or some special behavior. For example, she is good in English class. Or we can say, she is good in essay writing competition. Then we are using in. But when we are saying good at football, good at playing piano, here we are talking about some specific skill. So the correct is at football, at playing piano. Seventh common mistake is about comparative degree. For example, she is more taller than her brother. What is the mistake here? Yes, more taller is irrelevant. We cannot use more before taller. Why? Because taller is already a comparative word. It is used for comparison. So most is totally useless. We cannot add most before taller or more before taller. What is the correct sentence? She is taller than her brother. Eighth common mistake is I don't know nothing about it. What is the incorrect thing about this sentence? Don't and nothing. Don't and nothing both refer to a negative word. So we cannot use both of them. We should say, I don't know anything about it. Ninth most common mistake is you're welcome or you are welcome. Which one is correct? Yes, second one. You are welcome is a correct sentence. Your is a possessive pronoun. Means, for example, like your book, your parents, and your welcome is incorrect because welcome is not your possession. Okay. So the correct one is you are welcome. Now, the 10th mistake is about in and for. We usually say, what is there in lunch? What is there for breakfast? But it is not the correct sentence. Correct sentence is, what is for lunch? What is for breakfast? So before lunch, dinner, breakfast, what we should use? We should use for, not in. So I'm sure some of your confusions must have cleared. Thanks for watching my video. And if you find this helpful, please share, like, and subscribe my channel. And please drop me in comments what more kind of videos you want to watch. And is there any some specific subject that you want me to make videos? Thank you. Bye bye.